Hello everyone, welcome you all for the another session of vitiligo color pigmentation. So in this video we are going to cover the vitiligo of this finger places. We are going to do all the places on the fingers, even the fingertips too. Many of the clients used to ask these doubts in the comment section or on the phone calls, how it's possible to do it on the finger and how to get it done. So for that only we made this video. So do watch this video completely on all the places of the fingers we are planning to do it. If you guys have any more doubt, our number got displayed on there. You just feel free to contact us at any time. So our artist, senior head artist Roish Macho is making the cover up now. As you can see, we are making the exact skin tone, and once we wipe it up, it will look little darker. Many of them getting this doubt. That's because we are doing it with the needle, so obviously bleeding will be there. And as we tell every videos earlier, when we are doing it, we should do one tone darker than your actual skin tone. So when it heals, it will be looks and match exact your skin tone, or else it will start to looks very dull. For example, if you are making your exact skin tone, once got healed, it will start to looks very dull. So that's the reason we make one tone darker than your actual skin tone. And as you all know, this is the only way to treat this vitiligo permanently. And the maintenance of this treatment is much more less comparing to the any other medical treatments. You no need to take any medicines in the future. You no need to apply any of the creams in the future. It's just a one-time treatment to get the complete lifelong output. So we are having clients all over India coming up to Bangalore to get this treatment done. Even now, all over the world, people are coming and get this treatment done. And many of them asking that is it possible for us to travel in the abroad? So due to this COVID lockdown situation, we could be able to travel from here to there. So we are really sorry to say this. You need to come down to Bangalore to get this treatment done. And as you can see, it's much more less painful process. So there is no much bleeding at all. It's easy to maintain. All you need to do is, if you feel your tattoo is completely normal and the vitiligo is not spreading much, then go ahead with the patch test first. If your patch test got success, then you can go ahead with the other places too. As you can see in this image, she already got the patch test done from us. So that's why now we are doing it in the all other places of the body. So once this all other places this got completed, then it's the huge success of the. She don't have any other places in the body. Mainly she has in the fingers. So many of them ask how to do the maintenance. So the maintenance is much more easier. No need to worry at all. All we require is just take a complete rest for at least 3 to 4 days. So it will makes the time period for that place to get healed. And don't export that vitiligo place much into the water. Anyways, we provide the tattoo protector cream which will help you to protect from the water sources as well as the direct sun exposure. But it's always best to take precautions before it comes. So we are doing it on the edge of the fingertips, as you can see closely. So it's a little tough place to do it, but our head artist, he is very skillful. He could achieve this output. The above mentioned number on the display, it's available in a WhatsApp also. Just feel free to text us. We are here to help you out, and we are here to help your queries, and you can book an appointment and you can come down. As you can see, it's like a piece of cake of getting it done. Many of the people not aware of these treatments and spending a lot of money on surgeries, plastic surgeries and other allopathy treatments and medicines. So I highly recommend everybody to share this video, so it will be helpful for the many people who wants this treatment to be very helpful for them. So please share it as much as possible to everybody. This will helpful to them a lot. So I'm signing off. Stay healthy, stay safe, and spread this awareness to every people as much as you can. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, don't die nude.